Hello audience, you're welcome back to our channel. This series has to do with addition and subtraction. We'll be looking at some tricks on how to do addition and subtraction. So, example 1. Of course, you know when you have a number, let's say you have 4 plus 8. You now look at the number, let's say this 4 is either positive or negative. How do you know the sign of a number? You look at what you have before the number. If there's nothing before the number, that means that number is a positive number. So this 4 is positive. Meanwhile, this 8 is also positive because before 8 there is a plus sign which signifies 8 is a what? Positive number. Is that okay? So of course 4 plus 8 is what? It's just 12. This is easy. So let's look at example 2. Example 2 says 11 minus 8. Now 11 here, is it positive or negative? You look, is there any sign here? No, that means this number is positive. How about this? 8. This is 8. What is the sign of 8? Is it positive or negative? It is what? Negative. So when you are adding numbers that have different signs, you look at the biggest number. The biggest number is what? 11. And 11 is positive. That means your final answer will be what? Positive. So you can put plus. Then you look at the difference between 11 and 8. The difference between 11 and 8 is what? 3. So you put on 3. I hope it's clear. So let's look at, of course, you know 11 minus 8 is what? 3. That means you have 11, then you are subtracting 8 from what? 11. So plus 3 is also same as 3. Let's look at example 3. Example 3 says negative 8 plus positive what? 13. In this case, they have two different digits. The bigger number is what? 13. Since 13 is the bigger number, you look at the sign. What is it, positive or negative? It's positive. That means your final answer will be what? Positive. Then you look at the difference between 13 and 8. The difference between 13 and 8 is what? It's 5. So you just put 5 here, which is same thing as you just writing 5. So positive 5 is the same thing as what? 5. So let's look at example 4. Example 4 says plus 7 minus 32. Now these two numbers have a different sign. This is positive, this is negative. And the biggest number is what? 32. What is the sign of 32? Is it positive? It is negative. So your answer will be negative. You now look at the difference between 32 and 7. So the difference between 32 and 7 is what? Is what? 25. So you have 25 here. So your answer here is what? 25. So let's look at example 5. Example 5 says this is very simple. Positive, positive. So your final answer will be what? Positive. And 5 plus 73 is what? Is 78. So let's look at example 6. So this is negative, negative. If it's negative, negative, your final answer will be what? Negative. Then if it is the same sign, you just add it up. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So this will be your final answer. So let's look at example 7. This is also negative, negative. So your final answer will also be what? Negative. You don't add up the two numbers. This is 82 and 14. So 82 and 14 is going to be 96. I hope it's clear. Feel free to view this video again for a better understanding. You can lay hands on the following exercise. Kindly await our next